First ride of the event for me, actually.
Nice.
Aside from some testing. Now, is this your first time in one of these Broncos?
Yeah, first time.
Awesome.
Super nice.
So have you ever gotten to do anything off-road before?
A little bit.
A little bit?
Yeah,
okay.
in Jeeps.
In Jeeps, I got you. So I'm going to show you a lot of cool features we got in this truck. You got anything you want to see along the way? Any questions?
Okay.
Just ask away. So you saw me lock the rear differential. And that's giving us more rear grip. Helps us get up and over this obstacle pretty easy. And here we have the pitch and roll meter built in, so we're sitting at about 21 degrees right now. Now with those locking differentials, we have access to them at any time, anywhere. We can turn them on, turn them off, even while we're moving. And then for the next obstacle, I'm not going to need anything like that. Nothing crazy, nothing fancy. This is just a giant seesaw pretty much. Now with the idea of our seesaw, it's not that it's the steepest or the biggest obstacle. It's that when you get on something like this, it is hard to see in front of you.
Yeah.
So we're going to go with our camera systems here.
Nice.
We have a lot of different cameras. So for this one, choose that 360 camera or forward facing. And we're just going to trust it all the way to the top. Once we get to the top, stop it, drops us right back down to the floor.
And then you can switch the cameras as well?
Yeah, absolutely. So you got a whole different assortment of them right here at the top, so you can always pick and choose whatever you want. And you have those same camera features in the rear as well.
Okay. Oh, in the rear, so there's screens back here.
No, I'm saying in the rear of the vehicle.
Oh, rear of the vehicle. Yeah.
There's nothing in the back seat for the consumer.
Okay. How does this differ from like the 2025 model?
So this is what you're in today is actually a 25 model.
Okay.
So our 26, you're gonna look for the red one right as you hop out.
Okay.
You're gonna see a couple different things. The one that people really are starting to notice, they got grab handles on the side now on the 26 models.
Okay.
So that's something you'll see. Powertrains are pretty much the same. They all have the same big screen. Same four-wheel drive features.
Okay.
Now for a big obstacle like this, I'm going to go back to locking that rear differential. Give us a little bit more rear grip. We're going to take this all the way to the top. So from up here, we got an awesome view of the whole show. And remember those cameras, you can always use it to see what's at the bottom as well. Even behind you. Really cool feature if you're on sand dunes and stuff like that.
Yeah. Nice, man. Cool to see all that tech now.
A lot of tech
in the cars, a lot of cameras. And what other like neat tech is there? Like this is for overall to tell you the angles and everything.
Right, that's your pitch and roll. So check this out. If you want all the technology, really easy, check the dash. We have all these different drive modes. So there's a different drive mode for every kind of terrain. So for instance, if I go to rock crawl, the vehicle is going to set itself up automatically.
Okay.
Rather than me having to lock a differential or change my four-wheel drive or anything like that.
Yeah.
So now, if we go in rock crawl, like we need right here, automatically activates all the cameras, locks the rear differential, the sway bar disconnects itself, and the transfer case is now for low.
Nice.
Here's one of my favorite features. So these are tire cameras. So we use these when we're rock crawling or when we're off-roading. I can be very exact, be very precise where we put these tires at now.
And this is like the passenger tire or the driver's side?
So this can be your right front and left front.
Oh, okay. Oh, so it's
split down the middle.
Nice. That's cool, man. I like that feature.
So I got one more really cool thing, something a lot of people haven't seen. So as I get on top of this rock, you feel this bouncy.
Yeah.
That's a tire leaving the ground. The left rear tire is about a foot off the ground now. Disconnect your sway bar. You feel the difference?
Yeah.
Helps keep all four tires on the ground, giving us a lot more stability over rocks like this.
So it balances you right there.
It's not that it helps you balance, it lets the front suspension work completely independent. And you're only going to use that for rock crawling and only for off-road. We're not using it over potholes and speed bumps and stuff like that.
Nice, man.
So once I'm out of the rocks, I just put us back into a different mode and get us set up for the next consumer.
Yeah.